not wasting any dreams this Christmas. I've made my wish upon that star.
Hi dolls and gents, y'all know I had to come back and give y'all a holiday Christmas look, and this is one that I would wear to a party if I had a holiday party to go to. I can't believe the year is almost over, y'all. This is crazy. I wanted to do a bold lip. Normally go for like a matte red lip, but this is more of a satin and I'm freaking loving it, y'all. Let me know what you think about this lip in the comments down below. Would you rock it? If y'all are interested in my hair, I will leave a card up top. I already did an install on this wig like a month or so ago. If you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, be sure to click that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell so you're notified as soon as your girl posts a new video. And I'm not gonna talk too long today. If you wanna get into this look right here, then you know what to do, baby. Stay tuned. So we're gonna do this video a little different. We are going to do it like I used to do back in the day a long time ago. If you're an OG subscriber, then you already know. I am starting off with the Too Faced Hangover RX. This is the hydrating serum, y'all. I love this. We're gonna apply this all over the skin to get it nice and plump and hydrated for makeup. Next, I'm gonna take my Smashbox primer water. I don't believe they have the flavored ones anymore, but you can definitely get the original. I just have a bunch of these from PR, so I wanted to use it up. Y'all know I'm obsessed with that. I always double prime with that primer water. After that, we're gonna go in with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. This primer is going to make sure all your foundation just sticks to your face, honey, okay? It is a bomb base. If you have oily skin, combination skin, dry skin, it's gonna work for you, love, okay? Now, if your skin is super oily, you might wanna pass up on this, but I have combination skin. My skin used to be more oily, and this works just fine for me. So I'm using a different foundation today, y'all. This is the Bite Beauty Changemaker Supercharged Micellar Foundation, and I'm using the shade D170. I have to say that I like the way that this foundation looks on the skin. It's not too heavy, it covers, and the color was amazing. So we are gonna contour first today. I normally do contouring and highlighting at the same time, but I kind of wanted to blend everything out separately, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm going in with the NARS Laguna 05 Bronzing Cream, and this is a great bronzer if you're on the hunt for a new one. And honestly, this is gonna last such a long time because there's a lot of product in here and it's so pigmented, you only need a little bit, y'all. Now we're gonna highlight. I am going to use the Urban Decay Stay Naked Concealer in the shade 70 NY first. I'm gonna apply this underneath my eyes. And then I'm also gonna go in with the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Tan Deep Sand, just in the center to brighten up that area. And then I'm going to go in with the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Deep on the rest of the highlighted portions of my face. So my forehead, the bridge of my nose, above my cupid's bow, and my chin. We're gonna blend this out with a beauty blender and a foundation brush. I'm gonna go in with this Fenty Beauty Cream Blush, and this one is in the shade Summertime Wine. It is so pretty, y'all. So I'm gonna apply this all over my cheek area just to give me a nice flush of color. I'm going to set the concealer underneath my eye with a little bit of this Makeup Forever setting powder. Y'all, this is just a banana setting powder, but this is in the shade, I don't see a shade on the back, but I will leave any links that I have for any products in the description box down below for y'all. So let's go ahead and do our brows. I'm going to use the Benefit Brow Contour Pro, and I'm going to use the deeper shade on the outside of my brow, and I'm going to use the lighter shade on the inside of my brow. This is going to give me a nice ombre effect. Now we're gonna clean up underneath the brows. I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Deep, the same one that we used to highlight the center of our face. And I'm going to clean up underneath the arch of my brow, as well as apply it on my eyelid so that we can cancel out all that discoloration and give our eyeshadow something to stick to. Now I'm going to add a bit of setting powder underneath my eyes. This is the Makeup Revolution Banana Deep Powder, and this is going to brighten under my eyes. It's going to bake it a little bit, but the main reason that I want to do this is to catch any eyeshadow, because I am doing my eyeshadow after I do my face today. So this is going to serve as baking, plus just helping keep that area underneath my eyes clean. For eyeshadow today, I'm first gonna go in with a matte warm brown. It's like a terracotta brown, and this is Anastasia Beverly Hills Brick Eyeshadow. It's one of their single shadows, and we're gonna apply this all inside the crease, and we're going to blend it into the bridge of the nose. Now I'm going to deepen my crease again with another shade. This is from Anastasia Beverly Hills as well. This is the Fudge eyeshadow. This is a matte, like medium deep brown eyeshadow. It's like a chocolate brown. And after that, we are going to take another matte shade and deepen our crease. This is also from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is called Beauty Marked, and this is a deeper, almost plum brown shade. And this is going to give us that drama that we love and that outer V. So for the lid, I am first gonna go in with this eye pigment from Milk Makeup. And I don't know what this shade number is, but this is like a champagne color. It is so, so pretty, y'all. On top of that, I am using this NARS palette. This is the NARS Mojave palette, and I am gonna go in with this shade right here in this corner here. It's like a shimmery champagne silver color. It's really hard to describe, but it's super gorgeous. I'm applying this all over the lid on top of that Milk Makeup pigment, y'all. So you can use your fingers or you can use a brush if you want to pick up more pigment, but I definitely wanted something glittery, shimmery on the lid. Now I'm gonna go in with the Tarte's liner, and this is a liquid black eyeliner, and we're gonna do a little wing to elongate our eyes and just give it that more cat eye effect. Let's go ahead and dust all of the powder underneath our eyes off, all the baking powder. So let's go ahead and set the makeup on our face with this Makeup Forever powder. This is their Matte Velvet Skin powder in the shade R520, y'all. And we're gonna set our entire face with this so that our skin is nice and mattified. If you have more dry skin, you don't have to do this step, but I have combination skin, so it's a necessity that I apply powder over my skin. And I am going to set the contour on my face with the Fenty Beauty Mocha Mami Sun Stalker bronzer. Y'all know how obsessed with this bronzer I am, and I honestly use it pretty much every time I do my makeup, and I'm not even close to hitting pan. So these bronzers will last you a long time, y'all. And we're gonna go in with a blush. This is MAC Fever. I'm taking it back, y'all. Like, I found some of my older makeup products and I was like, let me use this as a blush today. So I'm adding this on top of the cream blush that we used from Fenty Beauty, and it's giving me a nice flush of color. When I first applied it, I was like, girl, too much. I forgot how pigmented it was, but we blended on out with the powder brush and we were good. So this next step, skip this because I almost effed up my makeup with this step right here. This stick is so pretty, but be sure to apply this before you apply any powder because I had already baked underneath my eyes. So when I went to put this on, it just was starting to look a hot mess. But I feel like you can't tell now, but I could still kind of see the mistake I made. But it's okay, y'all. Everybody makes mistakes, including me, okay? When it comes to makeup. Sometimes it's trial and error. You just gotta test it out and see if it works. So I'm using the Fenty Beauty. This is one of their matchsticks in the shade Pearl, but it just gives a nice gorgeous sheen to the skin, y'all. For highlighter, I'm gonna go in with this MAC Extra Dimension Skin Finish in the shade Show Gold. The shade is so beautiful, y'all. Oh my goodness. And I applied this over the Fenty Beauty matchstick, and I originally was gonna do that anyways, but I definitely had to after I made the mistake of applying that matchstick after I had baked under my eyes. So I feel like that kind of helped balance it out, as well as blending it with my foundation brush, well, my powder brush, that definitely helped. And for my lips today, this is the showstopper right here. This is the Smashbox Be Legendary Liquid Pigment in the shade Bad Apple. And when I tell y'all, this is a showstopper color, honey, if you love bold red lips, and you don't have this, you better get this, baby. It's so good. Like, I'm more of a matte red lip kind of girl, but this has turned me into like a more satin red lip kind of girl. And for lashes, I'm using my fave. These are the champagne pink lashes that I get from my local beauty supply store. Y'all, I just love these lashes so much. I need some new lash recommendations, honestly. Y'all know what kind of lashes I like. I like long, I like full. I like ones that are long in the middle, but also some that are long on the outside to give me a more cat eye look. So I'm basically open to suggestions. If y'all have some favorite lashes, let me know the styles down below so I can buy some new ones because I'm just so obsessed with these and I know I need to try some other ones. So here is the final look, y'all. I hope that you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. If you did, definitely don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up. It really helps out a lot. And let me know what you thought about this look in the comment section down below. If you would rock it, and if you wouldn't, what's more your vibe? I have plenty of content coming your way for the remainder of the year as well as in January. So definitely make sure that you're subscribed. Make sure that you have all those notifications turned on so you don't miss a video. And just in case you missed my last one, I will leave the link right here for y'all. Just click this little box with my face on it, and I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye.